My friends, I don't usually do unboxing videos. I kind of think they're boring, so I'm going to make this a very quick one. I've gotten a really cool little guitar, at least it appears to be a very cool guitar. I want to show you how well it's packed. It seems to be packed very well. This is one of the Enya Music. I'm trying to think what the name of it is. I think it's a Nova Go Enya Music guitar. Looks pretty small. It's supposed to be a half-size guitar, but it actually has a scale length of 23 1/8 inch, which you consider 23 1/8. I believe that is correct. I'll make a correction on the video if I'm wrong. But that's not that much smaller than a Les Paul is, right? 24 3/4 inches. I think actually my Squier Duosonic has a 24 inch scale. So it's only, you know, several eighths of an inch. So let me go ahead and show you. Let me go and open this up. Big, kind of hardy, heavy box here that we got. Pretty sure it does include a case. Comes with a set of extra strings. So I'm assuming it is strung up, but there's a set of extra strings that comes with it. Here's how it is inside the box. It is a Nova Go graphite guitar for 200 bucks. Here's how that box looks unboxed, the unboxed box. You can tell there's been some pressure applied here. Hopefully everything's okay. We'll see. Also, might as well make a note that there's some squishage on this part of the box too. And inside the box, carefully wrapped in plastic, is the gig bag with the guitar inside it. A very compact type guitar, I could say, but with a pretty good size scale on it. So the gig bag itself is pretty dang interesting. It feels very substantial. It's not cloth. It's like it's not hard shell, it's soft, but it feels almost like a rubbery kind of material. See that? Very cool, very nice indeed. Check that out. And someone had said that the strap here also doubles as the strap for the guitar. I'll have to see how that works. I see there is a release here. You can push that down. And so the strap does release. So I'll see how that works. Very cool. So I've not looked yet. I've just unzipped it. But here we go. Oops. Not fully unzipped it, I guess. Wow. All that's left is this much. And there we go. The guitar is wrapped inside some kind of a paper here. Fibrous paper. Pretty darn nice little form-fitted case, isn't that? I like that a lot. Very cool. Before I open up the guitar, looks like there's a pocket here. Anything in the pocket? Yep, there's some stuff in there. So it looks like you've got the adapters that turn the strap on the outside into the guitar strap. Looks like you got some, like a cleaning cloth and maybe a, we'll see. There's the truss rod adjustment. There is still a truss rod Allen wrench in there. Let's put that aside for a second. I think that's all that is in the pocket here. It's very felty, very nice on the inside there. It's like velour, we'll call it. It's what it feels like. I like the case a lot. Where does it open at? Open. Aha. Wow. It's quite a pretty little thing. Check that out. Really substantially well packed. You got your strings, of course, to keep them nice and clean. They're encased in some brown paper here. And there she is, folks. That is the Nova Go. It has a little hole here on the top that's going to send some sound back to your face. You got your little slots in here. Look at the joint here. Everything is totally form-fitted with this carbon. This is a $200 guitar. This is the first time I've ever really honestly played a carbon fiber guitar. It has the 0 fret thing here. So you've got your nut, but you're not using your nut. You're actually using the first fret here as your nut. So you got the 0 fret. How many frets is it? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 frets, 20 frets. looks gorgeous. Really nice bridge. String action looks very low. I'm going to check this out. I'm going to sit down, make sure it's in tune. Then let's hit a lick on it, see how it sounds. Okay, so I kind of want you to see how ingenious that is. This loop here that they give you, see, has it's kind of a spring mounted thing here. It's actually really high quality metal. And that turn, that opens up, that little mouth opens up. I can't do it hardly, hold the guitar in my hand. There you go, you can see what happens. And then you put these things on, and then this becomes, this strap that was on the gig bag becomes your strap. Same thing here on the back. Same kind of little mechanism there, doohickey thing. So I'm recording this with nothing but the mics on a GoPro Hero 10. There's no fancy mics or anything in the room. Let's just play a few chords. Immediately I can tell you the action's great. Kind of looking for some bad spots or anything on the neck. If you play A blues, you're happy you know you can reach that pentatonic there. Checking the intonation, sounds great. Nice tone. The tuners seem much nicer than I was expecting. I know they have to be bargain barrel cheap, but I'll be darned if they didn't just feel really nice when you're tuning it up. And you know, here I am stretching some strings and stuff and playing kind of hard on it. That is sweet. That is sweet, my friends. Project really particularly great? No, but you're not going to mistake it for a big guitar, right? initial thoughts are. How'd they do this? Easy to play. Could the action even be lower? There's plenty of room here on the bridge if you wanted to sand it down a little. Honestly, that plays pretty dang great to me. I'm just trying. Like are these in tune when you move up the neck, right? And it sounds like it is. Easy to play all over the neck. Wow. So, quick look again at everything. No wood. You're supposed to be able to take this thing, throw it in the back of your car if it's 120 degrees. It's not supposed to affect it. Crazy. It does have a truss rod in it. Clearly it's got a truss rod thing here and a truss rod adapter, so you can change that neck. I'm looking at the neck and it looks pretty freaking straight. There might be just the tiniest little bit of relief in it coming this way. Just a wee little bit. And like I say, the intonation's good. For what it is, this is a travel guitar, but it's loud enough you can perform with this. I like the strap. Ready to play with the strap around the neck. Okay, one quick question somebody will definitely ask is, can you tell a difference? That very short scale, and like I say, it's not tremendously shorter than a Les Paul, about a little more than an inch, right? So to me, it's not even an issue. The neck width seems to me to be maybe a little narrower than a typical neck at the nut. I might be wrong on that. We'll look at the measurements. The 0 fret allows for everything to sit down really low as far as the setup goes. So you've got a really nice action. I mean, pretty satisfying sound. $200, folks, to get into the carbon world. Here's what I think is going on with this. I think they're barely making any money at all on this guitar. A lot of the Enya guitars, if you look at the next level up, it jumps from this $200 guitar to the ones that are like $800. So I think maybe what this is a guitar to get people hooked on the carbon fiber guitar. and they're going to give you a really nice one at a very decent price to get you thinking about their higher price ones. That's what I think the strategy is here. And it's working. It's making me think, man, if this tiny little thing sounds this good, plays this good, is set up this good, has really nice components to it, then what's the big one going to be like? You know, should I take a look at that? One more thing I will say, when you're reaching up high, it does kind of feel nice when you're going up into the higher frets to not have the butt of your hand bang up against this nice little cutout here. That's a decent little feature. Wasn't expecting to like that, but that is pretty cool. When I go up high, there's plenty of room for my hand to be resting in there, right? So it's really easy access all the way up to those high. I mean, I'm not battling anything. That's pretty cool. I'm impressed. Yeah, it's just crazy to me. It looks like even this bridge piece here, this bracing or this whatever this is that the bridge sits in, it looks like it's form fitted, like it's actually cast into the body of this thing. You look inside, I don't see any bracing. I guess it's just that the carbon is that strong. That's what I'm guessing. I think it'll work great for some tapping stuff, for some tapping, when I do my loops and stuff, for some tap percussion. I dig it, folks. I really like it. Was not expecting to like it this much. Nice fret work. Oh, that's another thing I should say. Totally smooth, totally smooth. You got 0 fret edges. No bad high spots on the neck. The neck is set up good. Got your white dots here to help you find your place because you don't have them on the front of the neck. So you're going to find your spots if you're not, real, but by seeing the dots here, if you're not real good with your positions because you got no inlays. Pretty cool. The Nova Go by Enya or Enya, however you want to say it. I would say it's Enya, like the singer. For those of you who remember her, she's awesome, actually. Peace to all who watch. Subscribe to the channel if you like. One last thing I wanted to say about this guitar is, so I went and weighed it. Somebody's going to ask this, I know. The guitar itself weighed 3.5 pounds. With the case, it weighs 3.8 pounds. 3.8 pounds, super lightweight. I mean, that is almost nothing. Sweet.